Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing with 5 essential tips every beginner should know. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth or secure your financial future, these tips will help you get started on the right foot. Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Educate yourself. Before diving into investments, take the time to learn the basics. Read books, watch videos, and follow reputable finance channels. Knowledge is your best asset when it comes to investing. Tip number 2. Set clear investment goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education? Having specific goals will guide your investment strategy and help you stay focused. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and enhance potential returns. Tip number 4. Understand your risk tolerance. Everyone has a different comfort level when it comes to risk. Assess your financial situation and determine how much risk you're willing to take. This will help you choose the right investments for your needs. Tip number 5. Stay consistent and be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Regularly contribute to your investment accounts, and don't panic during market fluctuations. Remember, time in the market often beats timing the market. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.